here's how to add a bio on your Discord app. So we're going to open Discord first. Whoops. And then so once you have Discord logged in, what you want to do is head on over to your profile at the bottom right corner. And so right now, as you can see, this is my profile. So first, if you want to add a custom status, you want to click on set status right over here. Now you can change the custom status to whatever you want. So let's just change it to something like subscribe. And then you can also choose to clear tomorrow, clear in however many hours you want, or just simply click don't clear and click on save. So that, as you can see right over here under my name, it says subscribe. However, if you want to add the real Discord bio, what you want to do is click on profiles. Once you're in profiles, right over here, it says about me. Under about me, it says tap to add an about me. So we're going to add an about me. And then here, you can basically import whatever you want in your bio. So as you can see, we've just added a bio for my own Discord account, and then simply click on save on the top right corner. And then as you can see, once we click on save, we're going to exit out. And then now our profile, it says about me. This is going to be your Discord bio, as well as we set our custom status to subscribe. So that's pretty much it, how you can customize your Discord.